All right, let's have a real conversation because I know if you're watching this, you've probably been sitting on an idea for a while now. You've thought about it, you've planned it, you've maybe even started it, but you haven't actually finished it. And not because you're lazy, not because you're not capable, but because you've been stuck in your head. Overthinking, doubting, trying to make it perfect before it even exists. And I get it because I've been there too. But here's the truth that changed everything for me. Your first digital product is not supposed to be perfect. It's supposed to be done. So, in this video, I'm walking you through exactly how to create your first digital product in a weekend. Simple, practical, no overwhelm. And listen, you don't need fancy tech, you don't need a big audience, and you don't need everything figured out. You just need a starting point. So let's build it. Okay, this is where most people mess up. They try to create something for everyone. You've probably heard that before. They try to solve too many problems. And what happens? They get overwhelmed and they stop. So here's what I want you to do instead. Pick one problem. Not 5, not 10, one. Ask yourself, what do people come to me for? What have I already figured out? What is something I could help someone with in a simple way? And I want you to think small here. Not how do I transform someone's entire life, but what's one thing I could help them with today? So maybe it's something like how to get organized as a busy mom, how to meal prep for the week, how to start journaling, or maybe just how to manage your time better. It's simple because simple sells. Now that you have your idea, do not overcomplicate the format. This is where people lose momentum. They think, well, I need a full course. I need videos and modules and slides. No, not for your first product. Start with something like a checklist, a short guide, a workbook, or maybe a mini training. Something someone can use quickly because people don't just buy information, they buy results they can get fast. Your first product needs to be a quick win, not a full transformation. And before you start designing anything, brain dump. Trust me, it works. Get everything out of your head. Messy, unfiltered, and real. And then organize that brain dump into 5 simple sections. That's it. You don't need 20 pages. You don't need 10 modules. Clarity beats complexity every time. Now we build. And this is where I want you to set a timer. Like seriously. Give yourself, I don't know, 2 to 4 hours. That's it. Because if you don't, you will drag this out for weeks. Perfectionism is not excellence. It's procrastination. So we're not doing that anymore. We're creating. We're finishing. We're moving. Now that it's done, keep your setup simple. Just upload it as a PDF, put it in your school or your Facebook group, and then deliver it in a way that feels easy for you. And when it comes to pricing, don't undercut yourself out of fear, but also don't overthink it. Your first product is about validation, confidence, momentum, not perfection. Now we talk about it. And I know this is where people get uncomfortable because they think selling has to feel pushy. It doesn't. Here's the flow. Teach something small, share your experience, and then invite them in. That's it. No pressure, no scripts, no pretending, just real. So it could start with something like, hey, I struggled with this. Here's what helped me. And if you want help with this, I've got something for you. That's selling. All right, if this helped you even a little bit, I don't want you to just watch this and then go back to overthinking. I want you to take the next step. Inside my school community, I've put together a free PDF for you called the Digital Product Idea Vault and a free workshop, how to make and sell digital products. And then if you really want to dive in, you can do my Purpose to Product Masterclass. So you don't have to figure all this out alone. If you're ready to actually build something, come and join us. And before you go, I'd really love it if you drop a comment below and tell me, what's your digital product idea? I want to hear it. I want to support you. Let's stop waiting and start building.